Oh, hey there. I was hoping you'd stop in. Your usual? You got it. You look well rested. Better than last time, at least. What? Seriously? Wow. So, is this a good change or more of a God, I hope it works change? A bit of both. Yeah, switching jobs tends to do that to people. Still, kudos to you. A lot of people would just stay where they were, no matter how it made them feel. When do you start your new job? Cool. So you're just off for a week then? Fun. Kinda like a spontaneous vacation. Or staycation, I guess. What? You have no plans? You can't be serious. Well, if it were me, I'd be headed to the beach. Sun's out, the water will feel nice. Plus, it's a weekday, so there shouldn't be too many people. Perfect beach day. No, this is a crime. You can't just waste a perfect day like this. You have to go somewhere. Anywhere. Get out of this cafe and go get some sun. Well, I'm flattered that you enjoy coming here, but my cafe unfortunately can't give you your daily dose of vitamin D. Yes, I've been told I can be quite annoying when I get like this. You're not the first, my friend. What if I went with you? Oh, I'm the owner, remember? I can walk out of here whenever. I mean, Erica is really the one running the ship. You good with it, Erica? See? She's practically begging you to take me. You don't want to disappoint Erica, right? Yes, beach day it is. Let me grab a few things and we'll go. See, can you picture anything more perfect than this? I knew you would agree. I really should come to the beach more often. I forgot how much I love it here. Well, I guess I've always liked the water. I grew up near the shore. Used to go surfing with my dad on the weekends. But when I got busy on school and then work, I just kind of stopped coming. Which is a shame because the ocean really grounds me. It reminds me that all my problems, all my worries, is nothing compared to it. I mean, look at the water. It sparkles. It goes on and on for as far as we can see. It's amazing. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Oh God, that was so lame. You seem to bring that out in me. Yes, the lameness. I'll have you know, I'm normally a very calm and cool person. Like, mysterious aura cool. People walk into the cafe and they go, wow, who is this mysteriously cool and calm person? Fine. Mock me. So, what about you? Last time I saw you, you were worse for wear. Are things better now? That's not really an answer. Look, maybe it's not really my place, but you've been coming in almost daily now, and I My staff and I look forward to seeing you. But when you look stressed or sick, we worry, you know. Yes, I worry. I shouldn't, but I do. You remind me of a baby chick. I feel like if you're left on your own devices, you'll end up getting swept away by a fox or something. Right, weird analogy. It made sense in my head. What I'm trying to say is, just take care of yourself. And if you can't do that, let others help you. I'm sorry. I'm babbling. God, I always babble around you. It's cute. You you mean that? Or you messing with me? Fine. Keep your secret. So, what do you say we head back in a few minutes? Oh no. No need to thank me. I'm glad that we got to spend this time together.